Well, I got these 4 in. So I'll get back to work. Where did my... Okay. Those I got for $4 each. $4.99. They're upside down. Hello, Mom.
It's warm out.
Isn't it wonderful?
Oh my gosh, where'd you get the other square?
Well, I went back and I bought some more.
Oh man, oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, Nancy. You're incredible. Incredible. I'm so sorry I did this to make all this.
No. I wanted to fix it. I had to finish it.
Oh, that's
Wasn't ready.
beautiful. How wonderful. I don't see anybody's car.
No,
Huh?
no,
Ladier's not here?
no.
under law, I don't think you could make that stand at all. That
No.
I mean, and you got to look out where you're going. You don't go into a lane if someone else is coming the opposite direction for you in the lane.
Right. No.
Isn't it nice out, Nancy?
Isn't it amazing? Beautiful. See, this I think is the old thing, boxwoods.
Oh, really?
I think so.
Well, we could plant it somewhere else. Actually, we could just, if you have a little stick, you could throw it over in there. Between those two. But that's not necessary. You know, I keep asking God, is to please make me a better person.
Well, yeah, you are. Amazing. But I guess that's what we're all asking him, isn't it? No matter how hard we try, how good we are.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
You have Danger over there with you?
No?
Oh, okay. Then we'll bring
What?
Marcus over.
Okay.
Come on, Marcus.
She's gonna come over.
You're going to come over to our chapel.
Also, looks like you're growing sunflowers in a row here.
That's right.
What's up,
Oh,
Danger?
hi.
How you doing?
Yes.
Well, come on in and have a seat.
Yeah, we're not
Meriwether.
sitting down. We're doing our exercise walk.
Oh, yeah.
Look at you with all this gardening.
Meriwether.
Pat.
Pat.
And I'm that's Lee.
That's
Lee.
right. Hi. This is going to be my chapel.
How you? Your chapel?
My chapel.
Ah,
See, it's got a little,
a bench?
and there's
Alright.
the Savior's in the
Oh,
little-
yeah. Hiding in the azaleas.
Yeah, well, he had to move over a little bit to make the...
Yeah, to make the path, huh? Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. Boy, you're moving the stone and everything. You'll make a double row of stone there, or what are you doing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're
You're lucky to have somebody
Hello, dear
digging like
doggy.
this. You're
Yes.
a
I
tough
know.
girl.
She's so lucky to have me.
That's right. Gardener. You know, that is a beautiful, these are beautiful threadleaf maples over here. What a pretty species of maple that is.
I think it's Chinese or Japanese maple.
That's Japanese.
The Japanese maple.
Yeah, but there's about, 250 kinds of these.
Oh, I see.
Look at how soft this is.
Did Ladera go?
Yeah, I think, well, she'll be back, I think.
These are beautiful trees.
Oh, because she couldn't park here or what?
Yeah, well, she's... I'm not sure.
Yeah,
It's okay.
that's okay. Yeah.
You doing all right, Jane?
I'm doing
You
fine.
must be happy to have
My special caretaker.
That's
Yeah.
great.